Hello and welcome to Heritage Builders. We're in Mustang Ridge, back on the project in Mustang Ridge, Marble Falls. And I wanted to get you up to speed. Quite a little bit's happened over this Memorial Day weekend. We had the stucco crew in, so you can see they've got all of their prep. So they're all prepped and ready for a scratch coat. First stage in a three-part process for applying the stucco. And this morning we set the septic tank. You can see we got it set in the hole. And Carlos with Georgetown Septic is back on the job, and he's working right now on putting the line sets in for the field. So let me walk on out there and I'll take some video of the field. So here's the field. He's got it nice and leveled. He's got the proper sand material in place. And right now he's putting in the runs. You see the purple drip tubing that he's installing. So we're just above solid bedrock out here, which meant that the engineers that are designing these systems have let us know that we have to use an earthquake style system. And there you have it. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe and like our page. We do appreciate that. And until next time, goodbye.